Hello everyone, my name is Hunter May. I'm the owner of May Crochets and I love Tunisian crochet. We're gonna go over how to sew Tunisian crochet together so it's super seamless. Don't mind that I'm wearing my little gel wrist cool things right now. I've been crocheting so much today and they started hurting a bit. So these are super nice. I'll link them down below. They're nice cooling on your wrists and it's awesome. Anyways, I grabbed one of my cardigans. This is my prismatic cardigan. It's Tunisian crochet and I just wanted to show how seamless the join is. So these sleeves were made flat and then I sewed them together. So here's an example of a nice clean seam. For this tutorial, I'm actually going to be using these two squares. Is it no. This way is the right order for you guys. So this is a blanket that I've been working on for probably 3 years now. As you can tell, it is a alphabet blanket, but we are going to sew down this way where you can see the Tunisian simple stitches going this way down. So we will go over how you sew these two pieces together to make it super seamless. For this tutorial, you're gonna need a tapestry needle that you can get yarn through, some scissors, and then your yarn that you're gonna use to sew, which I recommend doing one of the colors that you are sewing together. So I have the cream color that I used here. So I'm gonna thread the yarn through and then give me about the length of what I'm gonna sew and a little bit more just because I like extra. We're just gonna cut that off. So we have a strand of yarn on our tapestry needle. To attach, I'm actually gonna go to this side that doesn't have the strand. I'm gonna go through the top loop here and not pull all the way through. And then I'm gonna tie this end to secure it. And then we're gonna sew on the right side of the work. So we see the A and B, we're gonna start on this side. I'm gonna first attach the left side to this, so we're attached to the right. I'm just gonna go under the slip stitches that I have at the very top and just pull that through. I'm going from the bottom up, pull it through. And now we're attached. And then we're just gonna start sewing. I have a slip stitch row at the very top here. I'm gonna go into that from the top and then poke out the first Tunisian simple stitch row. So in the top here, coming out right here into the slip stitch row. If you need help, you can go into the slip stitch row fully and then come out underneath those two loops there in the Tunisian simple stitch row. And then we'll do the same for the other side. And pull tight. And you're basically just gonna keep doing that. So we're gonna go into this simple stitched row on the right side that we just did. And then we're going to come out the next row. So we're going in the row we just did, pull it through, and then we're going out the next row. And so on the other side, we're gonna go in the one we did previously, but then take our needle out for the next row. And make sure you're pulling tight, and you'll just do that all the way down. And it's gonna leave a little bit of ridge for sewing in the back, but that's okay. It leaves a really nice edge down here. So go into where we did already, come out the next row. What we did already, come out the next row. All the way down. Keeping the two strands of the Tunisian simple stitch, these two here, on the inside of the seam always. So I'm going to the outside of those. And you'll just do this all the way down. And Make sure you pull tight as you go. Having that super nice seam. And I will finish this up and show you the results. All right, your sewing should look like this in the front, this super clean seam here. And then the back is gonna have a little bit of a ridge like this. To finish off, what I like to do is go into the last chain of first Tunisian simple stitch row, just to make the bottom here really clean. And then I'm gonna tie the end with this tail here. And it is all sewn together. So you can see my A and my B perfectly joined. And then the back side has this ridge like I talked about. Super, super clean join. I hope this super quick tutorial helped you out. I have so many more squares to sew together and I will probably not get to it today. Hopefully get to it at some point. The goal is to be sometime in this year, which it's been 3 years already, so who knows. Look at that beautiful join. If you appreciated this video, I would love if you like the video and subscribe for more Tunisian crochet tutorials. You should also check out the ones that I already have posted. I really hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.